Hi guys, Marshall Malik here, and Olga has a test tomorrow, and I'm just helping her with some tips that I prefer to teach in my own way, and that's how to steer a steering wheel. So we're just going to make a very small video of how to steer. How are you finding the steering so far?
Yeah, it's very good exercise.
Yeah? And it's helping you to relax a bit more?
I think it was a big problem.
Okay.
In before, yeah, hopefully.
And so now we're going to get that sorted out, so please do like and wish Olga good luck for her test tomorrow. And then you can go with it. Okay, so just relax your hands and just steer full up to your right as you've done. Okay, there, now start straight.
To the right.
To your left now, full up back, nice and smooth. There, just repeat it again and again. Good. We'll do it together. So that's right, there we are. And now to your right, up and down. Up, make sure that's slow and smooth. Yeah, make sure your hands touch the top of the wheel, and that's it. So there you go. So we get a good bit of experience how to steer that there. A bit more gas, just a little bit. Good. So there we are. Off the gas now. So as you get to here, full up, yeah, top, yeah, that's it, roll down, up and down, good. So top, very good. Is that feeling much more smooth, that you're more control? So when you turn left, full lock right again, that's it, and full lock right, come on. Good, just it, full lock, just keep going as you are, that's right. This way of teaching and steering gives you more control and more calmness, because that's what I'd like my pupils to have, is more control of the vehicle. This is the most easiest way and smoothest way to drive. Yes, you can cross your hands and full lock right again now, and full lock to your right, nice and calm. There we go. There, so it's better than jerking the wheels, bringing you more confidence how to steer. So the push and pull technique really helps. Good, and then that's just repeat. And then we do this for a few minutes to build more confidence and control over the vehicle, how to control it, and full lock right again now, and full lock to your right. Good, and look to your right where you're going. So you look in the direction, yeah? So you can see your peripheral vision, everything where you're going into. So there we are. Good. There you go. And then full lock to your left again. Full lock it in. Now look over to your left here. Slow down. Good. That's it. And then full lock right again now. And full lock right. That's it. Good. That's a good bit of practice for you. Are we good?
Yeah.
Alright, let's just stop it there. Brilliant. Thanks for watching, guys.